What if the world's most luxurious cars hide silent secrets? Rolls-Royce and Bentley, names whispered with power. Their engines are so silent, engineers add artificial sound just so drivers know they're on. Inside, leather is stitched by hand, every thread deliberate. And each Bentley dashboard comes from a single perfectly matched tree. Rolls-Royce owners can demand a galaxy inside the roof. The Starlight headliner uses over 1,300 hand-placed customizable stars. Bentley's power was born in battle, building aircraft engines in World War I. Today, that power roars on the road. Their hood ornaments retract to stop thieves, and many contain hidden compartments, even secret safes. These cars aren't chosen for speed or attention, but for silence and authority. Because true power never shouts. They glide.